You work 40 hours a week, you pay your taxes, but at the end of the month, the money just disappears. You look at your bank account and it's zero. You probably think the solution is just to get a higher salary, right? Wrong. The problem isn't your paycheck. Hi, I'm James, and the real problem is that you are stuck on one of the four levels of wealth. Today, we are going to break down these four stages of financial freedom. The bitter truth is that 70% of people will die trapped on level one. But I'm going to diagnose exactly where you are and show you the exact mathematical levers to break through to the next level. Let's start. Welcome to Level 1 Survival. Here, you spend exactly what you earn, or even more. Your main financial tool is a heavy credit card that you carry on your back. The biggest illusion here is, if I get a raise, I'll be fine. Lie. You'll just finance a more expensive car. To escape, you need a plan. Step 1. Save a quick $1,000 emergency fund to stop using credit for flat tires. Step 2. Use the debt avalanche method. Look at your debts and aggressively attack the one with the highest interest rate. Once that 25% APR is destroyed, the rest of the debt mountain starts to collapse. You finally get that weight off your back, and you take your first step up to the next stage. Level 2 is stability. You have no bad debt, and a 6-month emergency fund. Looks like success, right? Actually, it's the most dangerous trap, the 6-figure broke. You keep your savings in a bank paying 1%, while real inflation silently steals 6%. Your hard-earned capital is literally melting away, and you are still trading 100% of your time for money. If you stop working, you stop eating. To break out of level 2, you must create the investor delta, the gap between what you earn and spend. Every single penny of that delta must be converted into assets. Forget complex trading. Buy broad index funds like the S&P 500. Historically, this gives you an 8 to 10% return. Your money stops melting and starts working the night shift for you. Welcome to Level 3 Independence. Your portfolio is growing, but when can you finally stop running on the treadmill? This is where the 4% rule comes in. Take your annual expenses, let's say $40,000, and multiply it by 25. That equals $1 million. This is your freedom point. When your portfolio hits this number, you can safely withdraw 4% every year, forever. The dividends and market growth cover your basic needs: rent, food, and bills. You now own the ultimate asset, the choice of whether to work or not. You can't buy a Ferrari yet, but your base is completely secure. Now it's time to take off the work shirt and put on the investor suit. Level 4, Absolute Freedom. Here, your passive income covers any luxury you desire. Your capital is growing much faster than you could ever spend it. How do the rich get here faster? They use cheap debt. They use OPM, other people's money, borrowing at 5% to buy cash-flowing real estate that pays 10%. On this level, you are building generational wealth. You are legally optimizing your taxes. Your money is compounding rapidly, and you own 100% of your time. So why do so many people fail to reach this? Because they confuse liabilities with assets. Buying a massive TV on credit keeps you on level 1. Financing a depreciating new car traps you on level 2. You must understand the true nature of debt. Bad debt will easily crush your income. You have to ruthlessly cut the chain of consumer debt. Make sure money is flowing into your green wallet, not out of your red one. Climbing these 4 steps is a mathematical certainty if you follow the rules. Keep moving forward and stay disciplined. But wait, you need a concrete plan starting today. Learn how to use the bank's money to buy your assets. The bank gives you the leverage, but you keep the cash flow. This creates the velocity of money. Good debt is a lever that lifts you up, while bad debt is an anchor. Let your assets buy your luxuries. Never touch the principal. Remember, time is money, and compounding takes time. Reach the top and look at the system from above. You don't need a mountain of gold to start, just the right strategy. Start building a legacy that will outlast you. That is the true mathematics of freedom. Look at yourself objectively. Which side are you on right now? It's time to stop making excuses. Step 1, kill bad debt. Step 2, create your delta. Step 3, buy assets. Attack that high-interest debt aggressively today. Maximize the gap between your income and your expenses. Funnel that cash directly into income-producing assets. Invest in your financial education every single day. If you want to master this system and build real wealth, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments, which of the 4 levels are you trapped in right now? Start building your portfolio today. I'm James, and I'll see you in the next video.